we say we got you covered, we mean it. Literally. RAPTOR Liner gives you the kind of coverage the competition can only dream of having in the can. But we'd rather spray it than say it, and show you why only one protective coating can say there's only one Raptor. Whether you're looking to protect small parts like fender flares, mirrors, grills, running boards, or large projects like truck beds, trailers, and everything in between, you're going to be covered when it comes to the coverage of RAPTOR Liner. RAPTOR offers 3 sizes of coating kits: quart, gallon, and aerosol. The 1-gallon RAPTOR kit is the industry standard in bed liner coating. Each kit contains 4 bottles of RAPTOR and 1 tin of hardener. The 1-gallon kit gives you enough material to do a medium-sized pickup truck bed. The 2K aerosol is super convenient and offers 14 square feet of coverage per can. Choosing the right kit size can save you time and money, as well as ensure the best outcome for your project. Remember, it's always better to have a little extra coating than not enough. So consider the size of your project when choosing between the quart and gallon kits. No matter what size you choose, RAPTOR coatings offer excellent durability and protection for your vehicle, so you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. Just one more reason why there's only one RAPTOR.